What's the meaning of B-movie? B-movie. B-movie.
B-movie. B-movie. A B-movie is a low-budget film that typically falls into the science fiction, horror, or exploitation genres. These films are often characterized by their poor production values, hammy acting, and cheesy special effects. B-movies were popularized in the 1950s and 1960s as drive-in theaters became increasingly popular. These theaters would often show double features of B-movies as a way to attract customers. Today, B-movies continue to have a cult following and are celebrated for their campy charm and nostalgic appeal. Despite their often low quality, some B-movies have gone on to become cult classics and enduring pop culture icons.